back, students. So in this topic we are going to study about the mathematical formulation of transportation problem. Mathematical formulation of transportation problem. So how the transportation problem is mathematically formulated, that is we are going to study here. So consider a TP. Consider a TP. So what is TP here? TP is transportation problem with m origins. That is rows. We consider it as origins as rows and n destinations. That is columns. So we are implementing, means what? We are formulating the transportation problem in mathematical. So we are giving the mathematical model of transportation problem. So in that case we are considering the given transportation problem with m origins and n destinations. So m is nothing but rows, n is nothing but columns. That is what? Matrix representation. Right? So let Cij be the cost of transporting one unit of the product from the ith origin to the jth destination. As the transportation problem, the objective of the transportation problem is to minimize the transportation cost while reaching the requirement of the destination. That's why. So Cij is the cost of transportation of transporting one unit of product from ith column, from ith origin to the jth destination. Here I and j are the elements of the matrix as we are representing the transportation problem in the form of matrix. Fine. So Ai, the quantity available at I, Bj, the quantity available at j, and Xij, the quantity available from ith origin to jth destination. So these are what? Mathematical formulation of transportation problem. So consider a TP with m origins, that is rows, and n destination with columns. So it means that rows and columns we are implementing the transportation problem in mathematical. So Ai being the quantity available at I, Bj being the quantity available at J, then Xij is the quantity available from ith origin to the jth destination. So, the above Tp can be stated in below tabular form. Right? Below tabular form. So, time you understand. So, these are the table. So, this is the table. So, let me draw the table here. N. Time mobile start again. Start
6.
Fine. This is capacity. So let me clearly draw this one because fine. So let me finish up. These are all called as destinations. And these are called as origin. Fine. So origin is considered as M here, that is rows, and it is considered as N, that is columns. Fine. So let me draw this one. This is x11, this is x12, this is x13, and so on. It is x1n. The capacity is A1. Fine. In the same way, it is x21, x22, x23. In the same way, it is x2n, and it is capacity is A2. And same x31, x32, x33, that is x3n, that is E3. Fine. So in the same way it is x41, 42, x43. If I continue in the same way, it is x4n followed by A4. So what happens here if I write m here, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to m, that is xn1, xn2, xn3, and so on up to xn or xmn. It is xmn, that is am. So this will become, this is what demand. So the demand is B1, B2, B3, and so on up to Bn. So let me write this one here clearly. It is summation of m I equal to 1 of a I is equal to summation n I equal j equal to 1, that is bj. Fine. So this is what mathematical representation of transportation problem. Further, this topic I'll explain in the next session. Thank you.